Alright guys, this is Biz back with MoneyMoves U, another episode. Just wanted to do a quick rundown with all the AMC noise going on. This one is about John Najarian and his opinions on the stock and some certain moves that he's making. You can see right here, it says this is the article from Benzinga, right? The other day. It says the enormous volatility in AMC and other so-called meme stocks creates trading opportunities. According to John Najarian, the co-founder of Market Rebellion, the stocks have seen an increase in trading volume because of the hype on Reddit. AMC Entertainment entered into an agreement Thursday with B. Riley Securities and Citigroup Global Markets to sell up to 11.55 million shares of its stock. So AMC announced this back in April, but they didn't actually have a date or a price or an amount of shares. So now that sale that they announced back in April is finally happened this week. So it's not new news, but it did effectively drop the stock and move the stock downward, and a lot of people jumped out, myself including. We fell for the okie doke. But hey, you live and you learn. That's why you really want to put in money that you don't really mind losing, so that the ups and downs don't really, phase you. But let's go on with this article, just to give you guys some tips from the experts in case you missed it. Najarian's take, okay? He says that based on the volumes that he's seen, it's not just Reddit traders. Adding that it's not just Reddit traders that are in AMC, which you should already know that. Retail stockholders, like the everyday, guy and gal working a 9 to 5. We don't have enough money to move these stocks 50 to 100% in one day. When you see that, you know that institutions, hedgies, banks, they're in these stocks too. And they're basically pushing the stocks up, but they're hiding behind people like you and me. Let's see. So adding that hedge funds are involved in these memes as well, in these names as well. 4.6 million options contracts were traded this Wednesday. All right, today's Friday, in AMC Entertainment, which represents 8 times the options volume of all the FANG stocks combined. Najarian said he's selling calls against his existing positions and taking profits to Thursday. So that's another thing that I had to remind myself. What you do, what I've learned that works best in my stock investing and trading strategies is to take long-term stakes in companies that I believe in. And once I get my base and I have my long-term stakes, then I start trading other stocks and trading options on top of that, while leaving my long-term investments alone. So this seems to be what John Najarian is doing. He has actual shares that he bought in AMC, and he's holding them and letting them stay there. And then now, in the meantime, he's selling calls to make instant money. Because when you sell a call, as long as you have enough money to cover that call, if you get assigned, then you're able to sell that call and get paid instantly for that call. So yeah, back to the article. When the volume surges, Najarian is looking to re-enter trades in AMC Entertainment, BlackBerry, and Cost Corp. Let's go to another AMC story here on Investor Place. AMC stock price predictions. How high will the meme stock frenzy take AMC? Alright, AMC Entertainment is a little retail stock that could. So far, it has taken the year by storm thanks to fuel from Reddit Wall Street Bets forum, going from potential victim of the COVID-19 pandemic to a serious force. The huge and recent gains in AMC are prompting a new dialogue. Just how high can AMC go? Analysts and Redditors alike are theorizing over their AMC stock price predictions. AMC is a beneficiary of the Reddit retail push of January. Let's see, which saw the theater chain really rally beside GameStop. Okay, between January 26th and January 27th, the subreddit propelled AMC from just under $5 to $19. Since that date, price have ebbed and flowed. What? Come on, man. Y'all don't know how to type. Since that date, the price has ebbed and flowed. In other words, it's gone up and down. But in the last week, AMC is steadily climbing. News today that the company would bring in $230 million has served as a major upside catalyst. Just like with GameStop, it seems that the retail crowd is betting on a new and improved AMC. AMC stock price predictions. What's the ceiling? That's what everyone really wants to know. AMC is thriving on Reddit now, with many posters on Reddit Wall Street Bets rooting for the movie theater operator to come out of the pandemic stronger than ever. Additionally, AMC was able to leverage Redditor support to raise cash and avoid bankruptcy. Also sweetening the story, considering this, it's nearly impossible to find a Redditor who is bearish on AMC. Almost everybody was bullish when one posed a question to the board. Realistically, how high can AMC go? There's nothing realistic about any of this. $500 minimum. Realistically, Saturn. That's how high it can go. It can go to Saturn. Analysts are diverging on the issue, okay? The Street's Brett Kenwell is on board with AMC for its upward swing. He is firm on the possibility of a further breakout up to $45, putting it near all-time high prices. Market realist Ruchi Gupta is less willing to take the side. Gupta says AMC doesn't look to be a great fit for the long-term investment. It says that, quote unquote, a short squeeze could play out for some time and continue to lift the stock. I'll give it that. According to Tip Ranks, Wall Street analysts have a consensus 12-month target of $6.44 on AMC. That implies nearly 80% downside from the current levels. So instead of AMC to the moon, they're basically saying AMC to the boot, as in my boot, because it's touching the ground. Let's hope that doesn't happen. AMC stock is currently up 23% on today's session, with a trading volume of nearly 420 million shares. Million. That is 300 million shares greater than average. Booyah. So let's see what happens, y'all. I'm giving y'all the news. I'm giving y'all the facts. I'm giving y'all the daps. So all y'all gotta do is take it to the touchdown, score it, and make it do what it do. Let's see what Yahoo Finance had to say. AMC just dropped the hammer on every meme stock CEO. Bam. Y'all heard it here first. The meme market is back with a vengeance, and AMC is playing a different game the second time around. On Thursday morning, the company filed to sell up to an additional 11.5 million shares as its stock price continues to monster run higher. On Wednesday alone, AMC shares rose 95%, and in pre-market trading on Thursday, the stock was at one point up another 20%. but this does not mark the company's first effort to capitalize on recent volatility. Earlier this week, AMC raised $230 million from Mudrick Capital. In an offering, the company said Mudrick Capital in an offering, the company said, quote unquote, will allow us to be aggressive in going after the most valuable theater assets, as well as to make other strategic investments in our business and to pursue deleveraging opportunities. Let's see what else they said. On Wednesday, the company announced a new shareholder platform that will offer investors perks at actual movie theaters, including free popcorn. They're going to give us free popcorn if we buy the stock, y'all. Y'all know people will do anything for free movie popcorn. Yeah, that's going to get people to buy the damn stock. And with all these moves, AMC CEO Adam Aron and the whole executive team at the company are putting the pressure on their peers running other companies caught up in the meme trade to not just let this market moment come and go. These are episodes that management teams must cash in on. So they want all the meme stock CEOs to start cashing out, selling more shares, diluting the stock. Well, they don't want them to, but they're putting pressure on them to buy AMC, diluting the stock, and getting away with it because the retail investors have a point to prove and are going to keep buying. The Blackberries and the workhorses and the what's that called? Lordstown Motors and the Nokias. Their CEOs are kind of, people are looking at them like, shoot, AMC did it. Why don't y'all do it? You know your company needs the money, but that selling, diluting the shares, doing secondary offerings is the old school Wall Street frowns upon that because it hurts the investor. So there's still a group of people in the finance world that they frown upon that type of behavior because you don't want to hurt your shareholders and leave them holding the bag, but so you see what's going on. That's just a little rundown for AMC. This is your boy BIZ with MoneyMoves U, and I'll be back with some more updates later and IPOs and how-tos and tutorials and classroom sessions. But until then, I'll holla at y'all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and leave a comment. Let me know if you are part of the AMC army. Do you feel like AMC can go to the moon? Have you taken advantage of any of the meme stocks? And also let us know in the comments, what is the next meme stock to take off? We're sharing information here so that we all can get rich, bitch. Let's go.